Hey guys, welcome back to Graybeard Garage. As always, my name is Matt, and today we're out here on the property working on our bottle cap epoxy resin table that we had done a few months back. And today we're going to round over the edges on here. In the previous video, you saw that I pointed out that we had a little bit of a rough edge here, or a sharp edge. So we're going to go ahead and take that off. And to do that, we're going to be using our Bauer router. And so we're going to show you what that looks like. Okay, so we're gonna do our test run through here, and we already tested it out on a piece of wood thanks to a good suggestion from my friend. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna route this edge first just to see what it looks like, since this one goes against the wall and this edge also goes against the wall. So we're gonna do these two edges first, and then we'll go along our front and our other side. Okay, let's see what happens. Yeah. Like snow. All right guys, so let me clean this off and then we'll take a look at the edge. All right, so see if we can see here, but you can see we got rid of this really sharp edge here, and now it's nice and round, and you can see it's nice all the way down through here. So that cleaned that up real nice. So now we're gonna go ahead and do this edge here, and then we'll continue around. So we'll go ahead and get you back on the tripod and we'll get that finished up. All right guys, so here we go. We're gonna go ahead now and take this and continue around our edge. Okay, that looks pretty good. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and continue around, and we'll show you what it looks like when it's done. All right guys, so here is the table now completely rounded over. Pretty happy with it. There's a few spots that maybe are a little high, but I don't want to keep messing with it and ruin it completely. So it's rounded over. It's taken those hard edges off to where it was really sharp. It's giving us a nice clean round over. So I'm really happy with how that turned out. And the performance of the Bauer router worked really, really well. And then we also used, let's show you what we used here. The Warrior roundover beading routers bit set. That's from Harbor Freight also. And so is the Bauer router, so you guys can pick that up there. It actually worked really great, and it was really smooth running. And the nice thing is it's got adjustable speed. So it worked out really great. So guys, thanks for checking us out here on Graybeard Garage. All right, guys, so just thought we'd show you what this looks like completed and on the countertop. Now, I will come along and paint this. So we're not 100% finished, but this is the last video we'll do for this, because from here on out, it's just going to be like tedious little things that we're going to finish up. But this is what it looks like. That's the outcome of the roundover. Thanks for checking us out. Well, guys, that's our countertop complete now. So we're going to go and get this put back on our cabinet. But guys, if this is the kind of content you like to see, give us that thumbs up button. And if you're a subscriber, we just want to say thanks for subscribing to the channel. And if you're new here, welcome. And if you like what you see, please consider subscribing, as it does help the channel out greatly. And again, guys, thanks for checking us out here on Graybeard Garage. As always, my name is Matt. And remember, you can do anything if you put your mind to it. We'll see you next time.